Hello again, guys. I wanted to try to make a really quick video to show you what my expectations are while you're working on your homework assignments. Okay, so here I am in my school's PLP classroom. Hopefully this is similar to what it looks like for you guys. And I start with clicking on my green chapter 1 because I noticed today is September 1st. So I'm going to click on that. Once I'm in this, I'm going to find today's date. Today is September 1st. So I'm going to click on my September 1st. And I notice there are 2 videos and then a homework link. And even in the directions says watch the 2 videos. After the second video, complete the assigned homework and then submit it. Okay. So I'm going to click on the first video. It's really cool. You get to watch it in here. I've written some extra directions up at the top. Make sure that you're taking notes while you're watching this video. So, while I'm watching the video, I'm going to have my paper and my pencil. I'm going to watch the video. I'm watching. Oh my gosh, I need to write something down. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to write it down. I'm going to restart the video, right? So we're taking notes. I talk about that a little bit in the video. Hopefully you've already watched that. Once I'm done with this video, again, there's no homework for this one. So I'm going to move on to the next video. Maybe I took a little break. Maybe I went and ate a snack. Maybe I watched a TV show and came back and watched it. That's fine. So now here we are at the second video. I've got my same piece of paper that I was using for the first video. And I push play and I'm watching and I'm writing and I pause and I write and I watch the whole thing, okay? After this video, I notice that I do have a homework assignment. My homework assignment is page 8, numbers 16 through 18. So now I'm going to take out my textbook and I'm going to take out a different piece of paper. On this paper, I've written down the title and my name, and I've done my 3 problems. So I did my homework on a piece of paper. Okay, I've successfully watched both videos. I took notes on them. I did my homework on a piece of lined paper. I'm done with my homework. Now I'm ready to click on that very last link. So you can either just keep scrolling over. I feel like that's what it does. Or if we back it up under the 9.1, we're clicking on this very bottom link. The very bottom link is where you're going to submit your homework after you've already completed it. If you want to make sure you're submitting the correct homework assignment, it does say here in the directions what the homework was. So video 1 had no homework assigned to it today. That's not normally going to be the case. And video 2 had problems, page 8, numbers 16 through 18 assigned to it. And so I've already completed those. They're on this piece of paper. I'm ready to turn it in. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this blue link down here. When you click on this blue link, I think the first time you click on it, it's going to ask you to join my class. Go ahead and make sure that you're logged in with your Go LaSalle email account, and go ahead and select that you're going to be joining my class. Once you've joined my class, it's going to send you to here, where you can turn in your homework. So this is my Algebra 2 homework. This is my homework for September 1st. Don't worry about how many minutes it's supposed to take you. That's something that I have to do on my end. That's my paperwork, so don't worry about that. And then I again have posted on here just one more time, triple checking, making sure that I have done all the actual problems that I have asked you to do. Okay. So once you're ready to turn it in, you're going to go down here. So there's 2 different ways you can turn it in. You can click add files. If you click add files, you're going to have to either upload a picture that you've already put on your computer, or maybe you've saved something to my drive. This is my son's drive, so I'm not exactly sure what's on there, so we're not going to show you that right now. So you can have a picture saved to your Google Drive, or you can upload a picture from your computer. So that's one way to do it. The way that I'm going to show you a different way to do it is I'm going to show you how we're going to create a new document. I'm going to create a new document. The really cool thing about when you create a new document is it's actually going to make a Google Doc that has your name already on it. This is my son's name. And it's going to have the name of the homework assignment that it is. So it's going to track it really nicely. After you've created that Google Doc, you're going to open it in a new window. And then from here, we're going to insert an image. Now, again, you can insert an image that you've saved to your computer or saved to your drive. Maybe you have Google Photos on your phone, not really sure. But then I'm going to look at this option down here. It says camera. Since we have our we have our online classes, I'm assuming you guys all have a camera somehow hooked up into your computer. So I'm going to say I want to do it by my camera. And now you can see, now I've got double vision right now. Okay, so once the camera is open, I'm going to hold my homework paper up. And I need to be able to see some things on the homework paper. I need to be able to see the title, which I have written right here. I need to be able to see your name. I wrote my son's name. And then I need to see all of the work. Okay, so I'm going to take a picture and then I can insert that. If you want to, once you have the picture inserted, you can make it bigger so it's easier to see. If you can't fit the entire picture on the, if you can't fit the whole homework in one picture, you can always just insert another photo. So insert an image by camera. So this time I'm going to move the homework down a little bit, or you can even hold it further away so we get more of it in there, right? Maybe I didn't quite fit that number 18, so I'm going to do insert. I'm going to make sure I'm not in the picture. Oh, that inserted the last one. Let's try that again. Oh, because I didn't take a picture yet. So you can see all the pictures that you've taken over here. So it was still highlighting this first picture. So now I want to take a new picture, a second picture. I'm going to insert that. You can also take multiple pictures all at once. And then, and then you can insert them all at the same time. So now I can see my entire homework. While you're doing that, it has been edited. It has been like saving itself, right? Because that's what Google Docs do. So it's already saved itself. Don't forget to make sure that you don't have anything weird in your picture. But it's already been saved. So now I'm going to exit out of my Google Doc and I'm going to come back here. And this is the Google Doc I was just in, and I don't have to do anything else. It's already been saved. It's already been uploaded and everything. And so the last thing I need to do is I need to click that submit button and then I'll submit it. And so that's how you're going to turn your homework into me. We are going to be online for the entire school year. And so, this is how we're always going to submit our homeworks. You're never going to be able to physically hand it to me since we won't be in the classroom together. When I'm all done, when I've graded it and gone through and given you credit for it, you should receive an email that says that it's been returned, and homework is just worth 1 point each. So every day, each homework assignment is worth 1 point. They're all worth the same amount. So if you got a 1 out of 1, you did great. And that's how you turn in homework. Oh, don't forget, if you're going through those problems, and let's say that you got stuck on number 18 and you had a really difficult time with it. If you're having trouble with the problems, don't forget that you can go into our virtual classroom. Our virtual classroom is actually eventually going to be up here. So just click on the one that says classroom. And if you're struggling with your homework, you can always click on that orange question mark and you can submit a question. I was watching Tuesday's video too, and I need help finding the pattern on number 18. And then you can submit your question that way. So that's basically what homework's going to be like this school year. So I hope that was really helpful, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.